Welcome back. We are going to do the batch script portion of the last video. If you have not seen the VBS script portion I did, um, you can go check out the other video, which will be linked in the description. If you wish for a detailed look, we will be doing the batch script portion of how you do in batch script. So we'll launch up Notepad. Because again, as I said in the last video, I guess most people are going to, have it where they don't have file name extensions checked. So you can put echo off if you like, but again, that's just up to you. Then do MSG star and do your custom message. X save and navigate to your folder of choice. Mine is videos. And don't make the mistake I made in the last video where you forget to add the correct file extension. And when you run it, you'll get this. Custom for YouTube. So yeah, that'll be all the parts for this one. I plan to do like a BSOD thing, I guess. I don't know. And a bit more Let's Plays. So thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye.